So before we actually replace this lug nut, I want to explain why you would want to do this. Maybe the hex part is stripped out and you can't get a socket on it. Maybe the threads are stripped, in which case you might need a new stud as well. Or maybe it's just rusted and you want it to look better. On the factory lug nuts, you would use a 19mm socket and just remove one at a time. That's the best way to do them if you're replacing lug nuts, unless you already have the wheels off. So once the lug nut is off, you would discard the old one, check your threads to make sure that they're good, and if you are not replacing it because of damaged threads, then you're all set. But if your threads are stripped out, like I said, then you will need a new stud here before you put on the lug nut. So take your new lug nut, thread it on, make sure it doesn't cross thread, bottom it out, and torque it to 80 foot-pounds. And now do the same to the rest of the ones that you'd like to replace.